Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, where you can find everything about nail art, makeup, crocheting and DIY. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this super easy tortoise shell nail art that's all over Instagram. All the products that I've used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below as always, so don't forget to check that out. So let's get started. Mentioned in the title, I'll be using regular polish to create this nail art. So first I'll mix this burnt orange with some clear polish to get that tint on my nails, because I just want a wash of colors on my nails. See, so this is how it will look like when you mix it with some clear polish. So apply it as a base coat over all your nails like so. Color I'll be using is a dark brown color. If you don't have a dark brown color, plum color also would do. So with the help of a brush, I'm going to create a patches with some space left in between each other. So don't cover your whole nail with patches, but leave some tiny gap in between, and do that on all your nails. So this tortoise shell nail art is all over Instagram, and I have seen a lot of YouTubers create this nail art. I think it's working on since December 2018. Okay, now I'm going to take some dark jet black polish and I'm going to cover those brown, partially going to cover those brown patches like so. So don't go all over those brown patches, otherwise we'll not get that light to dark effect. So partially cover those brown patches. I feel I'm repeating again and again the same thing, but in a different way. So that's okay. So create this. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to apply some gold leaf. I had a gold glitter polish, so I'm going to remove the glitter from that polish and apply it all over my nails to get that shiny effect, because who doesn't love some glitter? All about layering in this nail art. So I'm going to go with the next coat of this burnt and clear polish tint on all over my nails once again. So this nail art is basically layering, so I'm going to go only with 2 layers of each step that I have created, because it's going to be really thick and it will take time to dry. So here I'm applying that tinted orange color on all my nails. Now I'm going to take the jet black again, and I'm going to slightly cover those previous patches and create some more patches in those areas where there's nothing, so to get that layered effect. Once you're done with this step, you're going to apply glitter once again, because I love some glitter. And the beauty of this nail art is that you don't have to be perfect, because you are going to create random patches all over your nail and some glitter, and a beautiful nail art is created. So do give this a try, guys, and if you create this, tag me at #shimmers and polishes. I'm going to apply a good top coat to seal in this nail art. So, and voila, this is a beautiful and super easy tortoise shell nail art for you guys. If you love this nail art and if you love this video, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, guys. Show some love, because I'm really working hard. I'm really working hard for this. So subscribe to my channel, guys, and please comment and tell me if you like my videos or what should I improvise on, and watch my other videos and nail art videos, crocheting videos. I have posted my first eye makeup tutorial, so watch that. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.